How to open a demo account on Trading212. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to create a free demo or practice account on the Trading212 app for iOS and Android. Here I'm using iOS, but you can follow similar steps if you're having Android because the application is same on both of the devices. So first of all, you gotta download and open the Trading212 application. So you will be redirected to the home. So what you're going to do is simply click on these three horizontal lines at the bottom right. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to your profile. And here you're going to select the option that says CFD. It says practice with virtual money. So basically what will happen is that you wouldn't invest real money. You can use some virtual money and, just trade using a demo account so that all of your trades, even if they fail, all of your money will still be safe because you're using virtual money and this is a demo account. Now you can simply practice your trading skills, your different strategies over here using your demo account. Now, if at any point you feel like you have mastered trading, you can simply switch to real money and open a real account. So that is basically how you can open a demo account on Trading212. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.